I got a bit of a late start to my day. I had some office work I had to take care of. But as you know, we had the mistake where our walls were a bit too short. Here's where we're at now. Rake wall just went back up. That little wall there's done. That wall over there is done. Rake wall in the back is being reframed as we speak. Guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Everybody, and I mean everybody, screws up. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what you do. You're going to mess up at some point. I'm just glad we caught it before the roof was on. Had we just thrown 2-foot little cripples on top of the whole entire wall and replated the thing, I would question everything we do. We took down everything, bought all brand new material, and made it right. I'm gonna throw my bags on, get to it, help them out. We've got a couple more walls to go in there, set some beams, and we'll be back to where we started. We're gonna have to redo the shear panel, throw on our straps again, but good thing is our straps are already cut, and have ourselves a good day. Hope you guys are doing the same. If you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Click the little bell icon to the right of it to turn on post notifications to get notified when these videos upload. Let's get to it, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say that yesterday wasn't a little bit of a setback, but we recovered pretty quick. Rake wall here's done, rake wall in the back is done, all sides are done. Only thing we're missing is interior walls. What we're gonna do now is set this beam that spans from here over to the other side. We're gonna get that thing strapped up right now and flown in. It's gonna be fun. This is one of the biggest beams that goes into this house. The ridge beams are pretty massive as well that carry all the way out. But this is the start of many. If you guys have made it this far in the video and haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Leave a like on this video too if you enjoyed it. So we're gonna get that beam hooked up right now, and when you fly stuff in like this, you constantly have to think about the angles that you're going at and how you're gonna set this thing if the tractor can actually hit that spot to make sure that you can actually get to where you need to go. I can't tell you how many times we've boomed all the way out trying to get to something and we come up a couple feet short. It happens all the time. So you constantly have to be thinking about your next move. We're gonna hit this thing on a little bit of an angle and hope to get it all the way in there. We've got that truss jib though that's gonna get us that extra distance that we need, and this beam is going to get set and everything's gonna go smooth. Jay and Fox are getting it strapped up right now. We're gonna get this thing up in the air and set. After that, we're gonna take lunch, come back and hit it hard for the rest of the day. We're making progress, guys, we're making progress.
Right that way, right that way a little bit. Hey, having I can get it, Rocky. Turning wheels. Turn. Oh, move it out. Over. Come on down. Oh yeah.
It's up. Looks good too. Let's check it out from the inside real quick. Beam set up in here. It looks awesome. To be honest with you guys though, it's a pretty small beam compared to what we've set in the past, but you want to treat all of them the same and make sure that you're not dropping something in with a couple SDS screws in it. You want to make sure whether it's a 6x10 that's going in or a freaking 10x48 that you have a grip of SDS screws in there. You don't want to take any chances of that thing coming loose and falling. Not too bad though, a half day in repairs fixing this from 9 foot to 11 foot. And as of right now, we are farther ahead than we were before we tore apart. I need to go pick up some sheets. We're short right around 12 sheets in total. Some 4x9 and 4x8, ½ inch. We're gonna go pick that up right now. I'm taking you guys with me to the lumber yard. You can check it out there, see what it's like. It's all paying off though.
Okay. 6 feet right there, ½ inch.
Awesome. Drive responsibly. This is the only lumber yard we shop at. Stay loyal. Perfect! I'm trying to get my freaking truck running. It's still shut down, ain't it?
What we do here is go back.
Just a little bit of a size difference. It looks a lot bigger in here. It looks correct. It's unfortunate that it happened, but you cannot stress on it. As of right now, we are officially back to where we were 24 hours ago. Now what we're gonna do is keep on trucking, act like this didn't happen, and finish this place out. We're waiting on answers on the roof still, so that hasn't been able to get started yet. We're also waiting on answers on a few other things, and we'll be trucking along. And what I mean by waiting on answers is we, the framing subcontractor, have to get answers from the superintendent on this project, and we go through him. He's kind of like the middleman. So in the case that we have questions with, say, a roof detail, we have to go to him, and then he goes to the architect or the structural engineer with what they call an RFI, which is a request for information. That's where you get to ask your questions. They'll get back to you with full-on drawn-out details or just verbal response. Either way works. So that's where we're at right now. And architects and engineers can take quite a long time to get back to you. They're not going to respond to you overnight. Unless you have a personal connection with them, they are going to take anywhere from 2 days to a week, if not more. If you're building a house and you're subcontracted to do the framing, you are subcontracted to frame per plan. In the case that you change anything and go any other route than what the plans say, you are now responsible. Structural engineer is now out of the question regarding responsibility. When I say that we build per plan, we build literally exactly what they draw on the plans and nothing different. We do not come up with things off the top of our head. We can't come up with things off the top of our head. In the case that we do, we are now liable for this building in the case that something falls down or something doesn't work. So everything per plan. Don't ever deviate off the plans. Stick with them. Everyone hopped in and did what they had to do to make the best of it. Got the thing fixed, got everything back up and vertical, and it's time to keep moving forward. But I'm gonna head out for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, it was a hot one today. Big thumbs up, subscribe button down below. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for watching. It's been fun. This has been another episode of The Ridge. My name is Matt Bangswood, and I will see you guys next time. Bang on. Now, I started doing a little bit of a cleanup. I still need to finish it. I'm gonna show up a bit early tomorrow. You guys are crooked. I'm gonna show up a little bit early tomorrow to get all this crap over here picked up, get this place looking spotless. It was beautiful, and then we had to like tear down half the building and rebuild it. So we'll get there. It's not that big of a deal. Now's about the time I like throw you guys up in the sky and show you a drone shot, and then we close out the video. I'll see you guys next time.